Oh, every month has 28 days. Yeah, okay.
Me.
There you go. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh God. Good morning, Philippines. Hi guys.
Why we're too white? We took it too white. I think that's good. Is that good?
Yes.
Hi guys, he's aggravated that there's no smoking. Ben is smoking. Don't give me that look. Okay guys. Hi guys. We are here guys para mag-film kami. Hindi ko lalakasan yung boses ko kasi we're outside and I don't want people think that. So anyway, so
Nobody out here.
Yeah.
Just us.
Okay, hi po sa inyo guys. Mag-film kami and I'm going to ask Tommy if he really is smart because he is really good in like have that ridiculous answer the question and he knew the answer, but this time I want to, it's a trick question. Okay guys, I'm going to ask Tommy a question and let's see if he can answer this question. Okay,
No, that's the answer. No.
These are the trick question. Okay, number 1. But anyway guys, thank you guys sa pag-drop by this channel. And yeah, number 1 question, which word would you use if you needed to describe a person who doesn't have all their fingers in one hand?
Doesn't have all their fingers on one hand? I describe them as normal because some of your fingers are on one hand and some of your fingers are on another hand, so that seems normal to me.
Hello, oh, you should just call this person normal. You're very smart. I don't cover your face. Oi!
Who has all their fingers on one hand?
Honey, you are smart. Oh, you're correct, big boy. Okay, number 2 question. If a plane crashes right on the border between Canada and the United States, where should they bury the survivors?
There are no survivors. They all died. Although you...
No, the question.
You told the question wrong because there wouldn't be survivors.
That's the question. The answer.
I know, but if it's a trick question, then it's a plane crash and everybody died and it crashed on the border, so where do you bury the survivors? You don't bury survivors. Survivors are alive.
Okay.
You bury dead.
Then you answer it correctly.
Okay.
Then. Okay, first of all, you'll need to light the match. Okay? You have only one match. You have to make a tough choices. What will you light first?
Cigarette.
The lamp, or the newspaper. The lamp, this one out.
Oh, a kerosene lantern?
And then newspaper. Which one?
Well, I would like the kerosene first. And then you could use that to light everything else. I mean, or you could light the newspaper first and use that to light everything else. But the kerosene will keep burning, provided it has kerosene in it. It's not just a lamp with a wick and no kerosene.
Okay, you answer it. Then you answer it because I don't have the answer.
I would say light the kerosene lantern first, and then you can use the lantern
But
to light
you
everything
said
else.
you have only one match.
You have one match.
Yeah.
Well, because kerosene's going to light right up. There's no chance that you won't light it. You know, you could light a newspaper and it could blow out. You could light. You never light a wood with one match. There's no way you're going to light wood with one match.
Okay.
So you want to light something that's going to light right up. Something with gasoline, kerosene, lighter fluid, like that.
Mrs. Smith, I asked Sis Mia all 2 questions in here. Okay, Mrs. Smith have a bungalow.
Bungalow.
His couch is pink. All the floor is pink. The shades, the lampshades are pink. And what the color of her stairs?
Okay, wait a second. The floor is pink.
Everything is pink, but
The lampshade's pink.
yeah,
The
And
couch
what's-
is pink.
yeah.
And what color are her stairs?
yeah. Mrs. Smith's bungalow.
Well, I'm guessing a bungalow doesn't have stairs. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I'm not sure about
you are
bungalow,
correct.
but a bungalow is like a one-level
it's a
thing.
one. Yeah, there's no floor, so you get the bungalow part.
Bungalow is not a term I'm really familiar with, but it's generally
I saw
like
first
a
floor.
makeshift kind of thing. Yeah, okay. So we have a one-level hut. Go ahead.
Okay, this man is walking on the rain with like walking while it's raining. He doesn't have a coat or umbrella, why one over here it's dry, it's not wet.
Man's walking in the rain.
Yeah.
Has no umbrella.
Yeah.
No hat.
No hat, nothing.
And one of his hairs, just one hair?
No,
all of his hair is
all
dry.
all of his hair.
All of his hair is dry.
Yeah.
And it's not wet. It's because he's walking inside? And it's raining outside?
No, because he doesn't have a hair.
Okay.
He's bald.
Okay. Well, then how could his hair be dry if he's bald? He's got no hair to be dry. So that can't be right. You know, unless you talk about his pubic hair, that probably wouldn't be dry either.
Okay, what do you sleep on, sit on, and brush your teeth with?
You sleep on it, you sit on it, and you brush your teeth with it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think.
This is it's a common sense question.
Yeah. What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Han, it's really like, what do you sleep on? Okay, it's a bed.
Yeah. You
Sit
sleep
on,
bed.
it's a chair, and brush your teeth with a toothbrush. So a bed, a chair, and a toothbrush.
But you have one item that you do all three
No,
things with.
what do you sit on, sleep on, sit on, and brush your teeth with?
Generally, that indicates one thing that you use for all three. Okay.
Duh, you make everything complicated.
I make it complicated? Okay.
In some months there are 31 days. In other there are 30s. But how many months have 28 days?
One. And only
How many
February
months
is
have
the only
20?
February is the only
Okay,
month
look.
that's 28 days.
How
Oh,
many months?
every month has 28 days. Yeah, okay.
All months, Han. Oy. One room was filled with valuable secret documents. The second one was full of money. And in the third room, the man kept expensive jewelry. One time, and then one day, this guy the house will burn. And which of the rooms did the police start to extinguish the fire first and foremost? Which of the room did the policeman start to extinguish the first?
Cops don't extinguish fires. That's what the fire department does.
You're really good at it. It's not really the policeman, it's the firefighter though. But I have to keep repeating the question that you will
Well,
get
because
it.
you're stuttering on the words.
Next question. How do you put a giraffe in the refrigerator?
How do you put a giraffe in a refrigerator?
Yeah.
How do you put a giraffe? I don't know, head first. I don't know how you put a giraffe in a refrigerator.
No, it's easy. Don't complicate things. That's what it says here. All you have to do is open the refrigerator, put the fucking giraffes inside, and close it.
Yeah, okay. You try and do that, and if it works, let me know.
What is the plural of appendix?
Appendix.
Plural? Appendixes. Appendix.
I don't think appendixes.
Like
I think it's just appendix. Appendices.
appendices.
Okay.
Appendices. Is that how it is?
Well, most people only have one appendix, so it doesn't really matter. But okay, it's the plural of deer.
Deer.
What's plural of deer?
Door.
Deer.
Deer only.
That's it. What's plural of mouse?
Mice. What else?
Okay, let's say you're driving a bus,
Okay.
and it's a school bus. And you stop at the first stop, and you pick up 5 kids. Okay? Then you drive, you go to the second stop. And the second stop, you pick up 3 kids, and you get 2 kids get off from the first.
Okay.
Then you go to the third stop. Third stop, you pick up 1 kid, and 4 kids get off. You go to the fourth stop, and you pick up 6 kids, and nobody gets off. What's the name of the school bus driver?
Say it again.
What's the name of the school bus driver?
I don't. You have to. I don't get the whole question.
First thing I said was, say you're driving a school bus.
Me. It's
There you go.
Okay. This
Okay.
one.
Go ahead.
They smoke.
Now I need to smoke. You finish your questions. Go ahead.
No, I'm still filming. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh god.
Carlos' mother had 4 kids.
Okay.
The first kid's name is Sarah. The second is Pedro. And the third one It's Elizabeth.
It's Elizabeth.
Who is the fourth one?
Carlos.
Yeah. Carlos. Carlos. I'm not good at smoking, but I'm gonna get
That's the same. It's the same as the bus driver question. You know,
Huh?
Ideally, that's the same as the bus driver question.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask Tommy because Tommy told me before that here in America, because we have a different thing in the Philippines. Okay? In the Philippines, when the boyfriend and girlfriend get married, and you know the guy have to, you know, spend all the wedding, or you know, it depends now. This generation is like the woman and they're helping each other, but usually it's a in the Philippines tradition is really the man.
You're going with traditional wedding, the way it is traditionally, not the way it is today. Because today everything goes.
Yeah, traditionally.
Traditionally.
Okay, what is the tradition here in the U.S.?
The U.S. tradition is that the girl's family pays for the wedding. That's traditional. The parents of the bride incur the cost of the wedding. But that's not so different from other countries. Other countries, they used to have a dowry, like.
Oh yeah, it's like a Vietnam, Taiwan, or what is it? That?
You know, and there's no wedding expense, but they give the family something, and then they would usually, like the groom's family, the groom would give the family of the bride, you know, a goat and a cow and this and that.
Yeah.
In other words, because they're taking away their daughter and they're giving something in return. In this country,
in short word, you're
thank
saying
God
your
you're
kid.
taking my daughter here. I'll pay for it.
That's what it is here.
Yeah.
It's like the mother of the woman have to spend
The parents
of
the bride.
the bride. Yeah, so it's here, guys. The bride's.
That's traditional.
family.
It doesn't count anymore. It doesn't work that way anymore.
Yeah.
You know, like my parents paid for Sue's wedding.
But nowadays, guys, it's
Nowadays, it really is what it is.
It's the-
And most people today are getting smarter.
yeah.
They're giving up on the big weddings, and they're using that money to put down payment on a house, or to start their life with it instead of, in the old days. Well, it was parents of the bride would pay for the wedding, so it was no big deal. They'd get money from the wedding, and it didn't cost them anything. Today, now kids got to step up and pay for their own wedding. They're choosing not to do that.
Yeah.
They're having something very small, very inexpensive, and use the money they would have spent on a wedding to start their life off better, which is smarter.
So that's all, guys. So now, because now too, if the new generation now, if you want a bungacious wedding, and then you both, the groom and the bride have money and they have both work, they talk about it and they're like planning. They plan for how much they spend. They're sharing it. They share the expenses.
No, it depends. It depends on the
I said-
situation.
I know that this.
If they can afford it, they
Yeah.
split it. If they
That's
can't,
right.
if one can, one can't.
Yeah.
If neither one can and the families can't, then they have something very low key, very inexpensive.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like it's not
So,
all.
so there is no hard fast rule anymore. That used to be the thing about it. If you have daughters, you got to look at not only but in the old days, if you had sons, you have all their education that you have to worry about paying for. Because in the old days, the daughters didn't go to higher education, they didn't go to college, stuff like that. But if you had daughters, you pay for the wedding. If you had sons, you pay for their schooling. And then things changed. Now daughters went to college, sons went to college, or went to college. Now you just extra expenses.
I can't wait for the Jeep will fly.
The Jeep will fly.
Yeah, like the Fifth Element movie. Everything's flying.
Yeah, I won't see it.
Some of the movie, like the imagination of people.
It's not imagination. It's they look into the technology of the future, and they're creating movies based on
What's happening?
what science is looking at, what they're looking to do.
Yeah.
So you'll see things from movies
But
that
Fifth
actually
Element
come
has
true.
been around for a long time, but it's
Doesn't
not gonna
matter.
happen yet.
Those things take a lot of time.
So it's gonna be really high tech. Everything is high tech. You can smell the TV what you're cooking.
They used to have the Jetsons. Was a cartoon about flying. They had flying cars and stuff like that. And the Jetsons, that was a cartoon. That was so. It's this has been people have had these dreams for the future for a long time, and every year you get a little close to different things
Yeah.
that they were looking at to the future.
And we're going to end this video, guys. Let's sit down, talk with Tommy. And thank you guys so much for watching. Say thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you for watching. And I hope you
Don't
drop
forget to
by.
watch her sing. She's gonna be singing on her channel.
I'm not gonna promise that.
And you can do
because-
this. Watch.
Ano, yun sila.
Oh, They watch you singing. All my fingers on one hand.
Guys, he is really awkward with this. Guys, he feel awkward with this.
Yeah, I'm
Tommy.
not. Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too. Roxy, get me a thumbnail. Come on, Rox. Come on up. Come on.
Come here, Rox.
Come on. You can be in the thumbnail. Okay, now your thumbnail. Look at the camera.
Come. Okay.
Thumbnail.
Come, hug, kiss her.
Okay.
Thumbnail, hug. Come
Thumbnail.
closer, hug.
Thumbnail. Be in the
And
thumbnail.
hug her like this, oh.
Oh, thumbnail. Look you in the camera.
I love her so much.
Okay? You good? Oh, we got a thumbnail picture with you?
Now look at this, how sweet she is to me. How sweet she is. Oh, my baby. You love your dad. That's alright. You do.
She said, he called me, that's why I came.
Like
But then look, he trapped me. Give your mom a big lick in the face.
I love you.
Big lick in the face. Big burns, look, big burns. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching her channel.
And don't forget the giveaway. It will be coming when we hit 30.
Oh, if you didn't catch her other video, don't forget there will be another giveaway coming up shortly.
When we hit 30.
We'll give you more details on that, or she'll give you more details on that.
Yeah, when we hit 30 key, guys, we're still, we still need time, but yeah, we're just announcing it early. And I hope you guys subscribe
Because
to
she
the channel.
can't contain herself. She can't hold a secret.
No, that's your plan, though. I don't even know how much you do.
But it's your plan to announce it early.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it. And yeah, subscribe that we can do giveaways. And then he has something in plan. I don't know what he did, but I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys. Bye. 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 For me. Bye.
I got to do, yeah, so rock-a-bye.